show you the new ceramic glass cooktop that is a new option available on the North Wood Cookstove. So this is pretty unique and I'm really excited to have this. The ceramic glass is a nice option to have because the cooktop will get hot much quicker. So this would get up to temperature to be able to cook within approximately 10 minutes of starting a fire. So that's a lot nicer. The standard steel cooktop also heats up quick, but it would probably be more like 20 minutes to get it up to temperature for cooking. So if you come over here and you take a look at the cooktop, you can see it's very shiny. This makes it a lot easier to clean the surface when cooking. With ceramic glass, you do have to be a little bit careful about the weight of the stove. We are going to get a weight rating and we will release that on this product. However, we're anticipating it should support at least 100 pounds of weight, which should support pretty much any pressure canners and items. So this is Sarah with Obadiah's, and this is the new ceramic glass cooktop available on the North Wood Cookstove. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.